going to talk about the basic features of Moodle. Okay, because most of the teachers have the doubts like what to do in the LMS system and how to create a course and how to add assignment and all, how to assign to the students and all. They have a lot of doubts and all. So in this video, I'm gonna shortly talk about the basic things about the Moodle. Okay, what is Moodle? Moodle is a LMS, okay, learning management platform system. Okay, so it's a platform to using for the learning management. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of all, you want to type your URL to log into your Moodle, like your LMS. So I'm typing mine, like mine is ms.techno.academy. Type yours. Okay, so if you type yours, you can get your Moodle platform, like your LMS dashboard. You will successfully enter to there. So in there you can see in the right side you can see a login button here. Okay, so click that. In here we can see 3 methods to log into our Moodle account. First is like manual method, and second is using the Google ID, and second is third is using the OpenID Connect, using the Microsoft ID. Okay, so I'm just showing like a demo of OpenID Connect. If I'm clicking that, I get a interface like to enter the Microsoft ID. Okay, if I enter the ID and click the next, I will get the interface to enter the password, and if I enter that too, I can successfully enter to the account. Okay, so that's a method also to enter to your account, or otherwise you can enter the manual entry. Okay, which one preferred to you, just use that. Okay, so here I am just using my manual entry to log into my account, and how to say, in here first of all I am just logging as a teacher. Okay, so I'm typing my teacher ID, like this is my username teacher, and I'm entering my password. Okay, so I'm successfully entered to my account. In the right side I can see the name of mine, like teacher Python. If I click there, I can see the options here, and here the button to log out from the page. Okay, if I'm clicking the profile, I can see the profile details here. This is my profile details, email address and all, so that I can see that. And if I click here, this is the button to log out. Okay, so this is the main basic things like chats and contacts and groups, private, these kind of stuff we can see here. And this is a notification button, like if we get some kind of notification or something, we will get it from here. Okay, we can notify from there. Okay, so that's the area. So basically we want to look out in the left side. Here we can see a home button, home option. Just click there, we can see the home screen of your LMS. This is the home screen, and the right side we can see a latest announcement area. Here we get any kind of announcement or something, new announcement or something, we can notify from here. There is no announcement, so if I can enter the announcement or something, so that's why that this is used for that, for getting some latest announcement or something. Okay, and next option is dashboard. If I'm clicking the dashboard option, I can see some kind of things like course overview. If I'm creating some courses or something, I get the course overview about that, and I didn't create anything, so that's why it's empty. And in the right side I can see like online users, like here only one user in here, teacher Python, that's me, so it will show us like that. If anyone more than that using same time using someone, I can show them also here. Okay, so this is a wonderful feature. And some features also here, latest badges and upcoming events, those kind of stuff, all the things are up to date. Okay, if we make it up to date, we can got it from here. Okay, students can easily identify the updates and all the things from the dashboard and home. Okay, so use it that also. And here the next option is calendar. If I'm clicking the calendar, I'll go to the calendar option or no. Okay, if I have any events or something, if I'm busy or something, I get all the notification all from here. There is nothing, so here's looking the same calendar as like before. Okay, so now next I'm talking about how to create a course, and adding some videos or pictures or something, or adding assignment or something, how to create a course. That's the main thing. Okay, so for that, here we can see an option like site administration. Okay, just click that. If I click that, we can see a option like manage course and categories. Just click that also. So you will get a interface be like this. Okay, so here a lot of courses in here that not created by me, so that's why I can't modify anything here. Okay, so I want to create my own course. So for that, what to do? Here I can see a button like create new course. Just click that, you can create a new course. Okay, so I am creating a new course, giving a name like Python 123. Okay, demo name, and I'm giving a course short name like py. Okay, that's the main things to look there. And if you want to select some category or something, you can select from here. And you can select the visibility like show or hidden. Hide is basically shown. If you want to hide it, you can hide also. And here the starting date of the course, and if you want to show the ending date of the course, you can enable that, and you can choose that also from here. So I'm not enabling that, I'm just disable that. I don't want to show that, so that's your preference. Okay, you can do that also. And here a area for description area. If you want to add any description for the course, you can add it here. That's not necessary, so if you want to add it, you can add it. Okay, here several options we can see, like you want to add some entries, like you want to add a paragraph, you can use that, or you want to add bold letters, you can use that, and you want to use some italic things or something, you can use this. That's the basic stuffs. Okay, and we can see something like if you want to add image, or if you want to add videos or something, or you want to add recorded video, recorded voice or something, you can lively record it and add that also here. Okay, and you can also add live videos also. If you want to record it, you can record it and put it in here also. Okay, so that kind of options are shown in here. And if you want to add some course image or something, you can choose it from here. Okay, you can add it here. That's an option for that. And a lot of options also here for it's advanced options like course format and all. If you want to add more number sections or something, you can choose it from here. Okay, if you need 7 sections, you can select it from there, or otherwise it will be automatically shown like 4. Defaultly it will be like 4 sections. Or you want to need a lot of sections, you can add it from here also, or otherwise you can add it from that course section also. Okay, don't worry about that. It's a advanced sections. If you want to manage some feature, you want to modify something, you can come here and modify it. Okay, force theme and all those kind of stuff. Okay, so this is all about the basically you want to look here like a course name and all those kind of stuff. Okay, so just look around here. This is the main thing, and after that, if you are satisfied, that if you are okay with this, then go and save and display. Click the button. Okay, so you can see the course. Like this is the course we have successfully created. The name of the course is Python 123, and here the topics, 7 topics we can see. The defaultly it will be like a topic 4, because I am just added topic 7, so that's why it will be shown like topic 7. Okay, so how to add topics? Here we can see the right side, we can see a settings option. Just click there, we can get a lot of options here. But if you want to modify, you want to add something, here option like turn editing on, just click that. That time you can edit the topics. Okay, so I'm just giving a demo. Like if I want to change the topic name, click the pencil button and add the name. Like I'm just adding like module 1. Okay, module 1, and enter it. The name is like module 1, and you want to add some activity or something, here the option like add an activity or a source. Oh, okay, you want to add activity or resource or something, you can add it here. So I'm click that, and here we can see a lot of activities like assignment, chat, choice, database, like that. Okay, which one you needed, you can choose it. Okay, so a lot of things in here. Which one you needed, you can choose it, and you can post it also. So I'm just doing a demo. Like I'm just choosing a page, click the page, and here the button to add, click the add button. So the page is going to be adding. So you just give the name. I'm just adding a name like material. Okay, material. I'm just giving a name like material. If I want to add some description, you can add it. I'm not giving any descriptions. And you want to add any contents, here the options, you want to add the contents. So I talk about the options before, and I'm just showing how to add a image or video something. So here the option to add an image, click the image button. You can use URL or something, or otherwise here the option to browse repositories. Okay, just click that time you can get some options like upload a file using choose file options, or otherwise here two options like if you have some videos or images in OneDrive or Google Drive, you can choose that files from there also. Okay, so that's a method to find out or upload from there. Okay, you can choose it from there also, or otherwise you can upload from your local machine. Here the button like choose file, just click the choose file button and select one image. I'm just selecting an image, and just click the open button, and here the button to upload this file. I'm clicking the upload file. So the you can set the size also for here. I'm not doing anything. So here the save image button, just click that. So before that you want to add a description. Okay, so I'm giving like Google. Okay, that's the description about the image, and I'm just giving save image button, clicking that. So the image is uploaded now. Then you want to give it here the save and display option, just click that. So that time what happened, the material is uploaded. Okay, so this is the picture that I uploaded now. Okay, so this is the way to upload a materials or something, like you want to add picture like this. And the next option is video. You want to add video something, you can click the video button, you can add it like this. Okay, so that's the thing. And after that I'm going to show you another thing is like I want to add another topic like material 2, like module 2. I'm giving a name like module 2, and I'm going to give an assignment to that, like assignment. Click the assignment button, and here the button to add, click the add button, and you want to add any name or something, you can give that. So I'm giving like Python assignment. Okay, Python assignment. And if you want to give any kind of description or something, you can give it. This is not a necessary thing. Okay, if you want to give it, you can give it. Okay, and the next thing is if you want to add an additional file or something, you can add it. Okay, if you want to add any files, if you click there, you can add the file, upload from file. If I click the choose file, I can choose it from my local machine. If I click that, I can choose the image also here, and here the button to upload this file. The file is uploaded now. And here the button, here the option like availability, you can choose the availability time, like allow submission from, which there's a submission from the date, we can see that. And due date, you can set the due date here, the area to set the due dates. And cutoff date, that also you can choose it, and you can use that also. Okay, so that up to you. And submission type, what kind of submission you need. A submission type, you need two kind of, like online text, you can choose that too, or you need two, like online text and file submission also, you can choose that also. Okay, and word limit also you can select, like here the enable button, click there, and how many, like word, like 100 words, you can choose that. Okay, and the maximum number of uploaded files, you can choose that also, like 2 files or 6 files, like you can choose that also. Okay, and the maximum submission size, you can choose that also from here, like maximum is 2.9 GB, or you want to reduce that, you can reduce from here also, like 5 MB or something, you can choose that also. Okay, so that's up to you. And accept file type, which file type that you needed, you can choose that. If I click at choose, I can choose which type of files I want to, that the students want to submit, which kind of files, you can choose that also. Acceptable file types, okay, that also you can choose it from here. And a lot of options in here. This is the main options, and other options also here. You need more modification, you can take it from here. And grade section also here, notifications and all. If I click the grade here, the grade, you can maximum grade, you can set it here. And grade method, you can select that also from here. Okay, so these are simple things. If you take the option and you just read it, you can understand it. Okay, so simple thing. and this is the option to save and display. If you done all your works, then go and save and display. Okay, click that. So that time your code, your assignment is going to, like, how to say, submit. Okay, so here the option to view all submission. If I click that, if any students will be submitted, I can see that now there is no students, so that's why it's like that. Okay, so this is all about the assignment section. Okay, here we have 7 topics. So that time a teacher have any doubts, like if I have 8 topics or something, what I will do that time? Nothing to do. Like in the last part you can see the add topic button. Click that. That time you can add how many sections you want, 2 or 3 or 5. You can click you can select that, and add topic, you can add 5 topics. Okay, like that you can add it like this. So simply you can add the topics. So this is the this is how we can add some materials, and you can add names and all. Okay, this is all about the course. You can create a course and adding the course features and all here, materials and all. Okay, so then the main next step is participants. You want to enroll participants. So here the left side you have the button like participants button. Just click that. That time here we can see a option. Here the only one user is me, like that, who I'm created the group, like the course, who created that, me. So here only I am. So I want to enroll users in here. So here the button to enroll users. Here just click the enroll users button and select the users. So I'm just selecting my students. So students 77. So I'm choosing that one, and here the button to enroll the user. Click the enroll button. So I'm successfully enroll the student. Like we can see the student name also here. Okay, this is one method, or otherwise you can select it like here we can see the course, my courses. Okay, the modify is coming here. You can see the Python 123 here. The teacher name also shown here, like teacher Python. Okay, the same thing the student can view this also. So next thing, how to add, that's another method to assign a student, like cite, and you can select that also. And here the option like manage course and categories. Click that. That time you can see the course name here. Before that I'm saying here, you don't want this course, you can delete the course also here. Okay, if you don't need it, okay, you can delete the other course also. This course I don't have the access, because these courses are created by some teachers. Okay, so that's why. And you click the course. That time if I click the course here, I can see options like enroll users and view, edit, and all those kind of stuff. If I click the view, I can see the course things. Okay, so this is the things to you can add it. Okay, you can simply add the enroll users and all. But otherwise here the option to Python. If you want to get your course fastly, here the option, click the course name and you can get it there. Okay, so this is the teacher view. We want to see the student view, how the student can view the profile. Okay, their account, how they see those kind of things. So go for that, click the our user details button here, and here we can see the logout. Click the logout. So I'm successfully logged out from here, and now I'm entering as a student. Okay, so here we can see a login button here. Just click there, and here we can enter the name, like I'm entering the username student7 and entering the password. Okay, so I'm successfully entered to the as a student. Here the student, I only have 3 options like home, dashboard. Okay, these are things like if I'm created the course, so that's why the course details are here, like course overview, be like Python 123. That's my course. I didn't complete anything, so that's why it will be like 0% complete. If I have some kind of, like, how to say, if I'm completing how much percentage I'm completing the course, it will be automatically getting the percentage here. Okay, so that time the student can understand how much I'm just completing the course and all. Okay, and here we can see the upcoming events, like Python assignment is due date. Okay, if I'm setting the assignment, so that time the student can get the due date details and all the things, upcoming events, so they can notify easily. And here the online users. Okay, teacher, the 2 peoples are in here. So teacher Python before. I'm just before login, like 1 minute 49 seconds before I'm just using that. Okay, so that I can see here. And the student 77, that's me, the student is here, so that also can see here. Okay, so this is the dashboard section. If I'm clicking the home section, it will be like this. This is my course details and all. And if I'm clicking the calendar, I can see that the date, the due date be like this. Okay, this is my due date. So that time the student can easily understand the due date and assignments and all those stuff from easily find out from here. Okay, so this is the thing. If I click the Python, I can see the like just this is the thing, like Python assignment is due like Friday 8 January 12 AM, course event Python 123. Okay, so this is the course name, and go to activity. If I click that, I can go to the activity section. Before that, I want to show you what is the course section will be shown to the student. Okay, so this is the course. Okay, so if I'm clicking the Python 123, this is the course name. The teacher name is teacher Python, so that's the name of the teacher. Okay, so if I'm clicking the Python, my course is Python. If I'm clicking that, I can see I can't do any modifications here. Okay, only here the completions, or only that option. The student don't have the permissions to modify or something. Okay, students always can study from here. Okay, so this is the things, this is the topics and all. So first of all, we want to see we created module 1. Okay, so how the students can view that. Here the material option, if I click that, the student can see the material like this. Okay, so this is the material that I posted there. So student can, this is the student view, how the student can see the module and the material. And after that, here we can see the module 2. If I'm clicking that, I can see the Python assignment. Okay, if I'm clicking that, here the things like I posted a Python assignment here, the Google certified educator level, that's a thing. If I'm clicking that, I can see the student can download the file also. And or otherwise, if I'm giving any description or something there, that also the student can view here. Okay, I didn't give that, that's why it's built like this. And we can see some information about the assignment, like submission status, grading status, and due date, timing, and all those things. Like 6 days, only 6 days are remaining. So these things are shown here. So how the student can submit an assignment, here the option add submission, click that. If I'm clicking that, I can add, like I'm just clicking the online text also, so I can add the text also here. And if I want to add some file submission or something, the maximum file size is 1 GB, maximum number of files is 6. Okay, these things are that we modified before. Okay, so this is loading. Okay, this come now. So if I click the file section, the students can add the files also from OneDrive, Google Drive, or their own local drive also. Okay, so a lot of features in here. So this is so simply students and teachers can use this LMS so easily. Okay, and safe and secured. No other participants can enter here, only the recognized one. Okay, the mainly the permissions and all the permissions having administrators, they can delete the users and all those kind of stuff. So this is a very safely one. Okay, using for LMS. So this is a main thing to understand for the students and teachers. I hoping you guys understand what I'm taking now. So this is all about the Moodle section. Like this is the basic stuff to understand the teacher and student. I'm just showing the basic things of teacher's view and students view. So this is all about that. So thank you for watching. Thank you all.